How much should you actually spend on a 90-inch TV? You might find people happily buying the cheaper options, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Samsung 98-inch Class 4K Crystal UHD DU9000 series. This beauty packs a punch with a price that reflects its sheer size and quality. If you're looking for an immersive viewing experience, this is worth a serious look. This TV features a 4K resolution that ensures you'll see every detail, from the green of a football field to the subtle colors in a sunset. At 120 Hz refresh rate, you won't miss a beat during fast-paced action scenes, making it perfect for sports and gaming. The AI-enhanced Super Size Picture Enhancer sharpens images even at this size, so you get a bold picture, unlike anything else. Plus, it boasts HDR for vibrant colors and deeper contrasts. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up and running, the picture quality is so stunning that it's totally worth the initial hassle. If you can get through that, you're in for a treat. This is perfect for you if you want a massive screen for family movie nights or immersive gaming. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but it does offer solid value for the size and features.
Product number 2, Sony Bravia 2 75-inch 4K Ultra HD LED Smart TV. Let's check out this Sony Bravia 2 75-inch 4K Ultra HD LED Smart TV. With its sleek design and impressive features, it caught my eye right away. It's competitively priced in the mid-range for a 75-inch model, making it a strong contender. What makes this TV shine is its powerful 4K processor X1, which delivers lifelike images with rich colors and sharp details. The MotionFlow XR technology ensures you'll experience blur-free action, which is crucial for sports and fast movies. Plus, it integrates easily with Google TV, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps in one place. This TV has been a hit with over 100 sold in the past month, and it's easy to see why. However, I did find that some users were frustrated with the limited number of HDMI ports. But honestly, if you're mostly streaming content, you might not need more than 2. So if you're a casual viewer, this should still be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a solid TV for gaming, especially with PlayStation 5 features. Skip it if you have multiple devices to connect, as the ports can be limiting.
Product number 3, Fancy SyncBox Ambient TV Backlighting. If you're looking to enhance your viewing experience, check out the Fancy SyncBox Ambient TV Backlighting. This little gadget is priced at $199 and adds a unique flair to your TV setup. The SyncBox connects to your HDMI device and syncs colors with your TV content, creating an immersive atmosphere. It boosts the visual experience, especially during movies or gaming, by illuminating your space with matching colors. It supports 4K resolution and has zero lag, meaning your ambient lighting will react instantly to on-screen action. With rave reviews and a growing fan base, it's clear people love this addition to their home theater setups. However, there's a catch. It requires a compatible HDMI device for it to work, which some users found limiting. But here's the thing, if you're already using devices like a gaming console or streaming box, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want to elevate your home theater experience with ambient lighting. Skip this if you mainly use built-in smart TV apps, as they won't sync with the box.
Product number 4. Sony 32-inch 720p HD LED HDR TV W830K series. Priced at around $299.99, it's one of the more affordable options for those not needing a massive screen. This model offers a crystal clear 720p resolution, perfect for casual viewing, especially if you're watching from a distance. The HDR contrast and X-Reality Pro technology provide enhanced clarity and color accuracy, ensuring that your favorite shows look vibrant. Plus, the Google TV integration is a huge plus, allowing you to access all your streaming content easily. It's been a popular choice lately, with over 100 units sold in the past month. Some users pointed out that the sound quality could be better, which is a common issue with smaller TVs. But honestly, if you pair it with a soundbar or external speakers, you're not going to miss out on much. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for a bedroom or a secondary space. Skip it if you're an avid gamer or movie buff who needs top-notch audio and video quality.
Product number 5, Samsung 65-inch class Neo QLED 4K QN90F series. Let's look at the Samsung 65-inch class Neo QLED 4K QN90F series.
This model has caught a lot of attention with its advanced features and clear picture quality, positioned at the higher end of the market. With its mini LED technology and quantum HDR, you're getting stunning brightness and contrast that brings every scene to life. The AI-enhanced processor upscales everything you watch to 4K, ensuring a visually appealing experience. Add in the object tracking sound for immersive audio, and you've got a media powerhouse. Its unique features have made it a favorite, with many sold recently. However, a few customers mentioned it might be a bit pricey compared to similar models. But really, if you're looking for top-of-the-line performance, the investment is justified. This is perfect for you if you want a premium viewing experience for sports and movies. Skip it if you're just after a basic TV without the bells and whistles.
So there you have it. The Samsung 98-inch Class 4K and Sony Bravia E offer incredible options for large screens, while the fancy SyncBox can truly enhance your viewing experience. Don't forget about the Sony 32-inch for budget-conscious buyers and the Samsung Neo QLED for those who want premium features. Each one has its pros and cons, so it really boils down to your specific needs and budget.